Today,
Today,
I show you
I show you
on my neighbor.
what
Oh, what's on your neighbor daw? On your harap. Ano daw ang nasa harap? Ano daw ang nasa harap ni Tina? Ano? Bili, turo, anak. Play.
rain
Ground.
ground.
Playground.
Yes.
Ano daw ang nasa likod ni Tina? Ano yung nasa likod ni Tina?
Dito.
Ano nasa likod? Ano to?
Jollibee.
Si Jollibee. Ay, ano ang nasa kanan ni Tina? Kanan. Ito, what is this on the kanan? On the right?
House.
House. House of
Idea.
Andrea. How about on your left side? Left side, this one.
Stool.
School. Ano daw ginagawa sa school?
Dito.
Ano ginagawa? What are you doing on school? Writing. Ano ginagawa mo sa school?
Dito.
What are you doing on school?
Right.
Writing. Ano pa?
Hey.
Play at saka singing. Are you singing on school?
Yes.
Yes. O, sa playground. Ano ginagawa ni Tina sa playground?
Dito.
What are you doing on the playground?
Play.
Play.
Swinging.
Swinging.
Slide.
Slide. Oh, how about on Andrea's house? Ano daw ginagawa mo sa Andrea's house?
Dito.
Ano? So, who live on that house? Who live on that house?
Right here.
And how about on the this one? On Jollibee. What are you doing on Jollibee?
Eat here.
Eating. Ano iniit mo sa Jollibee?
Dito.
What are you eating on Jollibee? What are you eating?
Eat chicken and rice. Gravy.
Mm, drinks. Okay.